Today, we will be going over how to install F3007 tie downs on your Ford. It will be necessary to remove the two bolt plates holding the factory hitch and bumper to the vehicle frame. It is important to only install one tie down receiver at a time, leaving the factory bolt plate tight on the other side of the vehicle. This will hold the bumper and hitch in place. Starting on the passenger side, remove the 3 factory bolts and remove the factory bolt plate. Then, place our bolts and flat washers through the back side of the frame. On the bottom bolt, apply the large flat washer, followed by the 3-hole spacer plate. Then, put the flat washers, lock washers, and nuts on the 3 bolts and leave them hand tight. Repeat this process on the other side. Once that's done, torque your bolts to the proper specs. Slide the pinning clip through the holes to secure the tie-down insert.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift product, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit us at torklift.com or call us at 800-246-8132.